That lovely granite countertop in your home, your friend's home, maybe in an office or restaurant you frequent. All started not even here, but in a quarry somewhere, and that giant rock, busted out, has been hauled to an industrial site like this, where those massive blades cut through, and this slab is suddenly dissected into sections that will become large tiles, large flats, perfect for those sorts of applications. And check out that water being sprayed everywhere. If not for that water, there would be a ton of dust up in the air that wouldn't be safe to breathe in and also would make working incredibly difficult. Also difficult when working with natural rock like this is the shape of it. Not every piece is a perfect slab cutout for a countertop or a tile. Those have to be sorted and organized, used for different applications. Once one is set for the max size, the edges are trimmed. Check that out. More wet cutting. And it has to be, to keep the blade cool as much as anything else. And once cut down to a smaller size, another section cut away to become a tile. See that again. An edge will be trimmed away, and from the edge, a tile can be cut, and the larger section hauled off somewhere else for a larger tile or countertop piece. And once it's figured out what the application is, it might need to be polished. And to be polished, well, it is an amazing process. In order to reach the desired finishing, granite slabs are run through a series of progressively finer diamond polishing pads in a slab polishing machine that this gentleman is wielding now. And look at him going over that. The water again flying everywhere, preventing that dust from flying up in his face. With each new layer of polishing, the finer the pads, the glossier the surface finish. Just think, if you've got an incredibly glossy countertop, there were diamond pads used to polish that. And he goes through a few to get down to that perfect gloss. Look at that incredibly fine dust, leaving with all that water as it flows away, quickly squeegeed down. Not that it got rid of all the dust, but onto the next one. And you can see it removes just the thinnest layer of the material, which is important because anything sanded away is essentially waste. Another go with the squeegee, and it's still a little dusty as there's plenty in the air, but that granite slab is polished and ready to go.